Hey y'all, I'm over here getting ready to sift some soil. So I'm sifting this soil that Shantae and Miss Cece been talking about. This landscaper's pride is what I'm using, and I'm really liking this soil here compared to other soils. It doesn't have a whole lot of bark and sticks now, and rocks and all that. It has some, but not a lot. And then afterwards, when I put the perlite in there, it is so beautiful. But yeah, I'm sifting my soil, getting ready. This is preparation for my seedlings. Let's see, that's a doggone, what is that? A stick. But that's what I got from, yeah. So we sifting this soil. I already have 3 bags done. And I got 3 more to do. 4 more to do. I'm going to go buy some more soil for that price. Look at there. Look how it just breaks up when I like that. It's not a rock. It's soil that's just in a ball. And look at here. Then when I'm being extra, I just take it and go back in here. Just take some of it, not a whole lot of it. Just go back and redo. See if I left some up in here. I'm sure some of them do make it through because these are some big chunks, big holes in here. But it's not much, Look at her. It's not a whole lot that went through. But those are good to have up in there to keep the moisture in the soil. But I got some stuff for that too. They say this potting soil, but I thought potting soil had perlite in it. Shouldn't potting soil have perlite in it? I don't know, tell me. But this is me sifting my soil, getting ready for 2026. always like to take it and squeeze the ones to make sure that it's not a rock or something, that I can be able to get that soil, you know? It don't hurt to squeeze it. So the next time that I sift some soil, it's going to be some other soil so you can see the difference. But this right here is Landscaper's Pride. It says naturally organic. That's what the bag says. Okay. But I do like it. It's not a whole lot of, I don't find a whole lot of great big old chunks. I haven't found no rocks. Yeah. Just go back through and see. But it feels so good. And it doesn't have an odor. No, I don't smell anything in it. Like, you know how some of your soils have that ammonia smell. It has a smell as if it's got some manure and stuff in there. This don't have none of that in there. I want to put my own. I don't want nobody put it in there for me. I don't know where they got it from. But I don't need to keep y'all here forever and a day sifting my soil, because I still got more bags to do. And I'm almost finished with this bag. I'll show you. I'll come back and show you when I put my amendments and all that in here, so you can see what it really looks like when I put everything together. I add my perlite, I add blood meal, I add bone meal, and I have some Dr. Earth pure natural organic natural fertilizer. I'll put that in there. So all I have to do is just scoop it out and put it in a cup and do what I do, you know. Drop some seeds or my seedlings, either or. But this is good enough to just drop seeds in. But I'd rather, you know, do the right thing and do the seed starter. But still, this looks really good for, look at there. Just breaks apart. You know. It's going to be some good mulch. I know that. It's not rocks. Oh, that might be a rock. That's a stick. It's not a rock. I think this is a half a bag. I still got the other half to go, and I'm not going to keep y'all here to do the other half. It takes patience to be in the garden. Oh, y'all, look at here. I done poured the perlite up in here. But this is perlite that I'm poured in here. Now I'm getting ready to pour some bone meal. I need to have on my mask. You know what? It's just a little bit left. I'm poured all in there. You know? Pour it in there. Get rid of it. Buy some more. And I got this pure Dr. Earth. The Pure Gold Organic and Natural All-Purpose Fertilizer for flowers and vegetables. Pour some of that in here too. And I got some blood meal, that 13. It's all in here. It's nitrogen. Okay. Then I get up in here and play in the dirt. Yeah, this is my favorite part right here. Look how pretty the soil is, y'all. Look at her. This is why I like to sift my soil. This is my second container of soil. So all I got to do is get busy. Start putting these seedlings up in here. Playing in the soil. that's it. Sifted the soil. I'm put my amendments in there. All I got to do is just start taking it out and putting it in my containers and drop my seedlings. Takes patience to be in garden.